me, Sheyi Omotunde, and this time I'm going to show you how to sign up or join NeoLife business opportunity in Uganda. I'm a NeoLife distributor here in Nigeria, and this is a business you can do all around the world. So right now I'm going to share my screen and we get started with that. Follow me. Okay, I'm trying to do that now. So you can see my screen. So at the bottom of this video on this YouTube channel, you're going to see the direct link on the description. On the description, you're going to see direct link that you can click to sign up for NeoLife in Uganda. So what you just need to do is just click on the link and it will take you to the direct page. But right now, I'm going to type shopneolife.com/NeoLife startup. But you don't need to go throughout this route. So you can just click on the link which I'm going to drop on the description. All right. So now once you get here now, so I'll click sign up and save. So immediately I click sign up and save. I will switch the markets. So you can see these are different countries. So I'll switch to Uganda. You can either click on the link direct so that I can just take you to the product, the registration page straight, or you type shopneolife.com/NeoLife startup and follow the same process. So I just selected Uganda right now, and I'll click become a distributor right now. You can see it has changed the country to Uganda. So, but if you actually click on the link in the description, it will take you directly to this enrollment page directly here. So once you get to this place, you can sign up with Ugandan shilling 209,500 or 242,500 or 203,900. So anyone that you want to, let's assume that I want to sign up with this 242,500. So remember, you can sign up with any of these three packages and they have the same benefits. The only difference is the product that comes with it. That's what makes the registration fee actually different. So this is health product, this is health product, this is home care. So if you like trainer health product, you sign up with this. If it is Pro Vitality, one thing here is Pro Vitality as a product here is actually what I'm going to show you what the Pro Vitality works, and I'm also going to show you what the trainer works, so that you also know what's the difference between these amounts and this. And even when you sell this product back, you see that you almost recover all your money. So let's go for this. So once I click that, I'll click next. Remember that goes for 242,500. So if you look at this place now, let's say I'm looking for Pro Vitality again. So look at Pro Vitality. This is Pro Vitality case. There's Pro Vitality single. So this Pro Vitality alone is actually 150,400, meaning you can actually sell it at that particular amount, which this is actually company price. You'll be able to sell it almost 200. So by the time you minus it, that you just find out that the difference is just 50 or something. So after you do this, so you don't necessarily need to pick any other product here. It's optional, but if you feel like there's some other product that you want to buy, you can browse through for energy, fitness, immune, ads, weight loss, different one. But basically, just select the kits. You can skip here or just say next. Other products, additional product is optional. Then you will see my ID right here. So on this same YouTube channel, I have over 47 videos that are going to help you through on how to do the business strictly online. And if you have any question, you can actually reach out to me on my phone number +234 234-8026-298030. You also see it at the bottom of the registration, and you also see it on the description section of this video on YouTube. So what you just need to do is you enter the name, like your name, right? You enter your name. Let's say this is the name. I'm just coming up with a demo name. This is not actually a real name, it's a demo name. Then you select the date of birth. So let's say this is date of birth, let's say 1984. Select the date of birth. Then you automatically have Uganda phone code already there. So you just enter the number here. So if you don't have phone, if you don't have office, just leave it. The most important is the one that have this red hashtag. So you put the phone number. This phone number isn't available. No. So you put the phone number there. So let me check. So because the number is already there before, so I don't want to type it fully. Okay. Let's see now. The phone number. This phone number isn't available. Okay, so you enter the phone number. So remember, these are just demo number. You entered your address. Again, this is just demo address. I'm not going to like send this thing completely. So email, if you have, you put it. If you don't have an email, it's optional. So I'm just also going to put this like this, right? Then where is the address again? So you don't necessarily need to do tax, this, VAT number, passport number. You don't need all this. Then the most important is actually this. Just be able to go without this. Okay? Email address is not also compulsory. You can just write something. But if you have the email address, it's good so that you automatically receive the registration detail on your email address. But if you don't, you will still get confirmation on your email. So for this same phone number 2256, right? Remember, these are just demo numbers. So savings account or current number, account number, you put your account details there. You see all the Uganda's bank here. You can see all the Uganda, United Bank or UB Uganda. All the Ugandan banks already been listed, Diamond Bank, Uganda, you add everything here. But if you don't have, but basically you should so that they can pay your commission directly to this. You can also have MTN, mobile money, Uganda, Airtel, Uganda. So you have this now. So that is what you do. Your number, you put it there. So if you have it there, but it's actually optional should the case, because you can always update this. The most important is the one that I have read. So you should be able to get in the promo emails so that you know if there's any new thing. If you have a partner or sponsor, you enter the person's name. But if you don't need to worry about that. So this is the name. So this is how your replicated website is going to look like. And I just told you mine is shopneolife/startup. This is going to be shopneolife.com/justus, right? Okay, you have that now. Then you need to choose a username. So I can say James Simaj, right? Then you need to choose a password. Make sure your password is a strong password. Something like something that have both capital, small letter, number, and special character. So I'm going to enter the password right now. So if your password is not strong, it's not going to allow you. So make sure you have a strong password. So I'm entering a raw password. You can use different symbol. If it's something that is going to be hard for you, you can write it down as well. So now, shipping address. So you can decide to say you want to use the same information as what you have on top. So instead of filling this again. So here now you can say address here now, so that you can go and pick up at this address. They can ship your order. Definitely Kampala. Where's K? Yeah, Kampala. Right? So if you don't know the zip code, leave that. Then email, you can leave it. Phone number, you can just say you should use the same. So here now, the phone number, I can decide to use the same phone number that we have been using here, 256. Remember, this is demo. I'm not going to submit it. I just want to walk you through the process. So if I have this now, 256, right? You get that? So here now, shipping address, you can use the same thing that we have on top as a shipping address. So instead of repeating ourselves again, instead of repeating the same address we already have here as Kampala, so you can just select use this same address as shipping address so that they can ship your kits back there. So the only payment method for Uganda is actually Airtel money. So we select Airtel money. So get Airtel money ready to do your payment. Then you click agree. When you click agree, you click save and continue. Okay, so when you say save and continue, you still want us to enter the shipping name, so the pickup name. So I'll do that right now. James. So down here, save. So immediately I click save and new here now, it's already take note that we have. So can you see they are going to deliver to your house free of charge. So shipping is 0. This is amount you are going to pay, and from here now it's going to take you to the payment. So here now you can just click complete enrollment. So after you click complete this enrollment now, it's going to take you to the payment page for Airtel. So now this is temporary ID. This is order ID number. Now you now need to pay for this. So once you click pay for this, it will take you straight to Airtel money. From the Airtel body, you just use Airtel money to pay, and you receive all the detail in your email that is supplied. You also receive an SMS alert, and you will wait at your kit's bag to start the business is going to be shipped directly to the address that you actually submitted at the point of registration. So this is how it's very simple for you to place the order. Yeah, this is how simple it is to place the order. Thank you. So if you have any question after now, you can reach out to me. I'll still put my number on the description section, and if you also want to learn on how to promote it, I have videos on this same YouTube. Thank you for listening.